Welcome, fellow sciencers. I am Aaron Freeman, and today Professor Peggy Mason and I will be discussing some of the neurobiology attendant to an acutely charming viral video. But first, we give thanks to our good friends at the Chicago chapter of the Society for Neuroscience, under whose kind and patient auspices these programs are presented. We see a man giving his daughter a virtual roller coaster ride. Peggy, why does this work so well?
To a certain extent, it would work with just the vision. That's what essentially virtual reality is. All you get is the vision. And you're very convinced. I rented my apartment based on virtual reality. I went to see my apartment. I couldn't go in there because it was still under construction. And I was shown the apartment by virtual reality. Sold, because it's so compelling and appealing, I have to say. But the dad is very clever because he doesn't leave it just to visual virtual reality. He takes his kid and as he watches the video, he's reenacting the whole somatosensory and vestibular experience. Vestibular is where is the head in relation to forces, and the most obviously the force that we're always in relation to, since we're not astronauts, is gravity. So where is your head with respect to gravity? As you know, even just a tilt, that's a vestibular signal. Being upright is detected by the vestibular system. And then accelerations that are made either by yourself or by a vehicle. In this case, the laundry basket is a vehicle. That is also a stimulus.
There's some particular bits of anatomy involved in the vestibular system.
During embryonic life, we form what's called an otoconal mass. And that's the otoconal mass that you're going to live your life with. You don't remake otoconia. It's one and done.
Like a woman and her eggs.
Like a woman and her eggs, exactly so. Dad's doing a great job of recreating the vestibular experience. And so this kid has everything she needs to detect it. The only thing she doesn't have is she doesn't have the full intensity of the stimuli. She doesn't feel the acceleration quite as much. There's no depth vision there. And so there's a few things missing, but they're details. And clearly what she's got is sufficient, for her to experience it as a fun, exciting, thrilling, slightly scary experience.
So this is a dad conducting a highly successful experiment in neuroscience.
Kudos to Dad.
Right.
Well done, my friend.
Fair enough.